హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు లాసిటెక్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ఆఫ్ ఏ గివెన్ నెంబర్ ఇన్ సి లాంగ్వేజ్లో చూద్దాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 3 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ వాల్యూ చూద్దాం. 1 ఇంటూ 2 ఇంటూ 3 ఈక్వల్ టు 1 2 2 2 ఇంటూ 3 6. Factorial of 3 is 6. If you want to take the another value, 5 factorial, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, 1 2 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24, 24 5 is 120. This is the factorial of the 5. In C language lo program చూద్దాం with logic తో. Here first statement is as include stdio dot h standard input output header file. Here we are using this header file for why? Because we are using printf and scanf, and then main function. Why? Because every C program execution start with the main function, then initializing the variables, the type of the integer. So here data type int, and then taking the variables n for example we are taking the 5 factorial, so this value for the n, and then I for the number of the iterations starting to ending, and then storing the result for the fact is equal to 1, because if not mentioned in this one, fact is equal to, it will store the some garbage value or unpredictable value. That's why we are storing the storing the fact is equal to 1 anything is result is does not change. Next, printf for the write the data on the console, enter n value, then scanf for the read the data. Percentage d means decimal value, that means integer value, and ampersand end. Ampersand means storing the n value, address of the n. So then we are show the logic using for loop. Here I equal to starting value is 1, that's why I is equal to 1, and I less than or equal to value n, and then here showing the 1 then 2 3, here showing the increment the value, that's why we are using increment I plus plus. Here 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4. So data stores in fact is equal to fact into I value. So logic చూద్దాం. Starting I value is 1. Next 1 less than or equal to, for example here value is 5, I is equal to 1 I value 1, I less than or equal to 5, so I less than or equal to 1, I value 1, n value 5, and then condition is true, then goes to fact is equal to fact into I. Here fact value is 1 into I value is 1, so fact value gets becomes 1. And then next I value is increment, so I becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 5, condition is true, then body will be executed. Initial fact value 1, 1 into I 2, so fact is equal to 2. Again I value will be incremented, I gets 3, 3 less than or equal to 5, condition is true, then body will be executed. Fact is equal to fact into I, that means fact value 2, 2 into 3, fact gets 6. Next I incremented, I gets 4, 4 less than or equal to 5, condition is true, that the body will be executed. Factorial into I value, so gets 24. Next I value incremented, I becomes 5, 5 less than or equal to 5, is condition is true, then body will be executed. Fact is equal 24 into 5, then becomes 120. Next I value incremented, I becomes 6, 6 less than or equal to 5, it's wrong, that's body will be terminated. Here we use the printf for the write the data on the console. Printf factorial of percentage d is percentage d n comma fact. That means here first d represents the n value, next d represents the result of the value. So these are the factorial of the given number in C language. Thank you for watching this video.